Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can back up Slack messages in Slack. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to slack.com and log in to an existing account or to a new account. To do that, type here if you have an existing account, then sign in with email, or sign in with Google or Apple. After that, once you're inside your workspace and main dashboard, go on the top left right here, click here, and on a drop-down menu, hover on Tools and Settings, and click on Workspace Settings. This will redirect you to settings and permissions of your Slack account. Then, click on Import or Export Data. After that, go to Export, and from here, you can export with a given date range that you're going to input. So you can either export from the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, the entire history, or even a specific date range. So you're simply going to put in the starting date range, for example, July 1, and the ending date range, July 15. Then start export. After that, this will show you all the past exports that you've done on that specific date. After that, go back to your workspace, and then, as you can see, click on Slackbot. Right here, you can see it says that your Slack export has completed, and then you can simply click here if you want to download the file that you just exported. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!